This is Doc English, and today we're going to have another fun and engaging lesson at an elephant and crocodile farm in Thailand. Are you ready? Let's go! Here we are with the elephants. Everyone, can you say elephant? Fin. Elephant. This is the elephant's trunk. Here are the elephant's tusks. Everyone, trunk. Tusks. These elephants are quite beautiful. Okay, everyone, now let's ride an elephant. Here are the steps. First, you have to walk up slowly and calmly to the elephant. Then, the mahal. This is the mahal. And you show me what's on there. Elephants are wonderful. Okay, everyone. Now let's meet the crocodiles. Everyone, dial, crocodile. We're gonna feed these crocodiles. These crocodiles are endangered. That means there aren't many around. Here at this farm, they preserve the species. These are hungry crocs. Hungry crocs. Some people might be scared of the crocodiles. Doc English has zero fear. Eat it up. I think the crocodiles are pretty well fed. Today, we learned some new words like elephants, crocodiles, stray, and endangered. We also learned how important elephants are in the Thai culture. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. For more fun new ways to learn English, don't forget to like and subscribe and join me in my next video.